Alright, hello guys. Today I'm gonna teach you how to I'm gonna teach you what is Python and how it works. So basically, Python is basically I clean Python is basically almost reads like code. Literally, I want you to open up VS Code. Open up VS Code by the way. But yeah, why it's not loading? What? Uh, time skip. Because I like to make the videos short. Okay. Oh, okay. Okay. So now you literally popped out. So now let's learn about what it let's learn about Python. You wondering what is Python? Basically, Python is what is Python? That's the first question. My first question. Basically, Python basically almost reads like code. Almost reads like code. Literally like print. You never seen this before, but we'll get to it. Basically, Python reads like code. So basically, print and it also requires spelling. Literally, it requires spelling. Also Python. And also just like any language, you have to kind of problem solve what is the errors. What you may be asking, what are errors? Basically, errors are basically a mistake like this, like Python is telling me to, like this. It's rare. It's pretty normal, but basically errors are supposed to fix like this. It was never close. Syntax error was never close. So basically, errors is tell you, okay, basically errors like a bug. If you run the code, this is the error. But once you fix it, once you fix it, it print out hi. It just say hi back to you. So basically, yeah. Now you get the core idea about Python and errors. Basically, errors are normal, but don't freak out like it's not the end of the world. Cause for some of you will literally just panic. Literally just panic. So let's get to it. So now you know about Python and now you know about errors. Now we just need to figure out. Now let's get to the point. Print. The first ever thing. Print. The first ever thing Python has. Print. So basically, you basically type in print and you have quotes and the single quotes on both sides, and then inside the quotes is you type in hi me. You type in hi me. Boom. You type in hi me. Just like always, basically just print out any word you type in inside the quotes. Inside of any quotes, like no, like VN cool. VN cool. Not screw it. How about you? You are cool. You are cool. Boom. You are cool, but since it would be better. You're cool. That's way faster. Not gonna lie. You're cool. Literally. So basically, print out the word you want to type, but the one when I notice all beginners make sometimes all beginners some beginner make is what if you type out outside? Well, type outside double quotes. So guess what happened? A error, a error, because this is not a part of it. If you type in this monstrosity, if this monstrosity, yeah, basically just it create this monstrosity. So so basically the word has to be inside the quotes, literally inside the quotes, like it must have. Python is strict, but once you understand it, it's not that strict. Literally, it's not that kind of not that not like one teacher.
On my phone is the fun.
So now, alright, I can close this for now because we don't need it. Yoink. So now you both know about print. I want you to pause the video and experiment it yourself. So I'll give you 3 seconds. No, 4 seconds. Just added 1 more second. So 4, 10 seconds. Yeah, 10. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Make sure you pause the video because I'm not gonna keep other viewers waiting. So yeah. So now you wanna so now you understand about print. Basically, print out the word. But I forgot one last thing. Silly me, my bad, guys. We're going back to print. Did you know instead of just single quotes, can go double quotes? And guess what you're gonna happen? If you say you're gonna print out this, you're gonna print out the word hello or hi or whatever you type, then you're correct. Then you're absolutely correct. You are very correct. Be proud of yourself. But if you say otherwise, then I'm gonna be honest. Then you might. Then that's okay. People make some mistakes sometimes. That's okay. People make mistakes sometimes, and I agree with that. So now you know about print. So now you know about print. Silly me. No, print. Now for data types. Data types are variables. Like this are variables. Basically, data types are variables, and you're wondering why it's called data, and types. We haven't split it. Data, types. Basically, type of variables. Literally, the reason why it's called data types is because it's like a list. Like for example, A, B, and C. A, B, or C. And you want to print out. A. Boom, bam, blah, blah. Now, and by the way, you're wondering, well, oh, there's errors, silly. There's errors. So let's type in A, type in D, single quotes. Single quotes not only applies to print, but it also applies to variables as well. You know about that? That's a fun fact. So basically, it's still like the same thing, like print out hello. That's called a string. A string is basically a text of words. But some programming might say it takes off. No, it takes off. Some programmer might say different things, but it's whatever. Instead of just say a, or else you're gonna. Alright, I was about to say take a guess, but since you already seen the terminal, so now I got A. You're just gonna print out A and not the variable, just because you type in that is you type out the word A, and you just print A. And Python thinks, it's the word. Oh, you're supposed to type in the word, and this variable won't be used. You see the problem now? But when you remove double quotes or single quotes and just add a, you may be wondering why there's no errors. Well, just because you're reusing the variables. You're reusing the variables, literally. So you run the code, you run the Python file. Boom! It just lists A, D, or C. It just print out this. So now you know about it. Now you know. So now you know about strings. Basically now with strings. That was just a test, but that's not the first thing. So you type in single quotes and hello, and just type in H. I'm gonna try to spell hello, but even though I barely have no. So HOLLL, hello. Let's call Holly, bruh. At least I tried. Nothing. So hello. I'm gonna type with hi for a second, cause that's a shorter word, but it's whatever. So basically, data types. Remember, data types are variables. Literally, it is data types. So if you type in a equals hi, and just single quotes hi, and if you're typing a word, then you have to be single quotes inside a word. Inside a single quotes, you have to type in the word, or typing word, literally. See that? Boom. Python say hi back to you just because you're using hi instead of doing this, instead of doing hi manually, even though you will only take up about one line of block of one line. Only take up one line. Yeah. It only take up about one line. So now, but for data types, you can just press A, and you don't have to reuse it. You can reuse the word many times. But did you know you can just type in print over and over? It's not a one-time thing. You can do it twice and just say, and boom. And did you know about this? You can actually press equals and equal and just say cool. Hi cool. So now you know about data types, but I'll explain more for that later. Right now I want you to get comfortable. I want you to get comfortable on Python first.
Yeah.
But I will explain more about Python. But right now you get comfortable with Python now. Enough yapping. I want to. So this is the end of videos, because I cannot go any further. Because why? Just because I want to post the videos and all that. I want to post the video, and yeah. This is part 2. This is part 2. But before that, here's a quick something. You put hashtags are basically hi and yeah, basically a note of the code. You know? But I'll explain hashtags later. And peace out. Thank you for watching. I hope you're comfortable with Python now. And peace. I don't think the video get too long. Cause I'm gonna be cooked.
I say right foot creep, ooh, I'm walking with that heater. Look around, stay low, make sure they don't see us. I say right foot creep, ooh, I'm walking with that heater. Look around, stay low, make sure they don't see us. I say right foot creep, ooh, I'm walking with that heater. Look around.